How to make transparent taskbar in window 11. So I will show the perfect process. So let me start with the video. First come to the window and come to the setting. Here setting, we need to go in this personalizations. Here you can see that all personalization, you can see the background colors, themes, the dynamic line and other things, but you can see there is no any option to make transparent themes or transparent taskbar. Okay, in personalizations, if I go to the setting, if I search for taskbar setting, just go to the taskbar setting. Here you can see there is no any option to make it transparent. Okay, so here we can enable disable that search bar. We can enable this task view. Here we can add some widgets. Here we can add some pane menu, show the pane menu icon. If I enable it, it will be show the pane menu icon. Okay, here the touch screen and virtual keyboard, other system track icon, but there is a, if I go to the taskbar behavior, we have some automatic hide the taskbar, but there is no any taskbar transparent option till date in window. Okay, so what we can do, we can go to the Microsoft Store. Okay, we can use the app, go to the Microsoft Store and search for this, which is TranslucentTB. Okay, just search for this and just open that app here, and what we need to do, we need to install it to your device. So here you can see that get options, let it is visible first. Okay, so now you need to just click on that get. Now it will be start downloading here. So let it, then it will be installed. Okay, so it's ready. Now just open it, and here you can see the my taskbar is already in transparent. It's look like transparent. So just go to the continue, and here you can see this TranslucentTB app. Just click on it. Here you can see the desktop. Here you can select your themes like normal, that opaque, blur and acrylic. Here the some option visible is enabled and the maximum window is enabled. You can enable it. Task view, whatever you want you can select. There is an advanced setting. Here the some setting you can go through it and change it. Okay, and now if you want to disable it, just go here and just right click on it and go to the exit. It will disable. Okay, you can also remove this from your PC. Go to the search, go to the app, go to the settings. Here the go app, and here go to the install app, and here you need to search that the application, which is, let me check. Okay, so here go to the short by and date. Okay, this was the, okay, so this is the application. You can also search by name here. Okay, just click and uninstall if you want, if you don't want it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.